Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about tar command. How will we use tar command? Let's see the demo. What is tar? Tar is nothing but if you want to archive the files. For example, you have a multiple files or directories. You want to archive the files and you want to move from one location to another location. We will be use tar command. Okay, in Windows we have a zip file, right? If you extract that zip file, it will be contains all files or directories, right? Same thing tar also. Let's see how we can do. First one is, if you observe here, I have logged in here. We have a multiple files. Okay, even we have a directories also, no issues. And here, I want to create the tar file. How we can create tar -cvf. C is nothing but create, V is nothing but verbose, F is nothing but file. C is nothing but create, V is nothing but verbose, F is nothing but file. And I'm giving here file name is vinod.tar. Okay, I'm creating the tar file name is vinod.tar. And here we need to add what are the files you need to add it here. Tar file. For example, I want to add M1 file. It means inside the tar file, it will be add to this particular M1. I given M1. Okay, if you observe here, M1 is added. If you give the LL command, vinod.tar is created. Inside the vinod.tar, we have a M1. But remember, it will just copy to here. It won't be deleted main file. Okay, main file still exists. Just it will be copied to this tar file. When you use tar-cvf, vinod.tar. Okay, na? In case if you want to add multiple file, just same simple cvf-vinod.tar m1 space m2 space m3 like this. For example, you want to add multiple files, you can give space. Okay, if you observe here m1 m2. Now if you see here inside the tar file, we have a m1 m2. Now I want to extract this file. Okay, as I said, like I have added m1 m2, but not sure, right, whether it is added or not. We have to verify it. If you want to verify, we have to extract this tar file. How we can do? Before going to extract, what I'm doing here, m1 m2 I'm going to delete here. Okay, r-rf m1 m2. Okay, I given here. Let's see. Now it is m1 m2 deleted. Now I'm going to untar this one. It is automatically inside the vinod.tar. We have m1 m2, right? It will be exposed. Let's see. tar-xvf. X is nothing but extract, V is nothing but verbose, F is nothing but file. Now I'm giving the tar file name. Tar file name is vinod.tar. Now give it here. If you give here LL command, now we are able to see the M1 and M2. I hope understand that what are the uses of HPF. Inside the tar file, whatever is there, it will be extract. Earlier we have added inside the tar file, we have added M1, M2, right? It is exposed. I hope understand, right? How we can create and how we can extract. Okay, fine, well and good. Now we have a vinod.tar. Okay, well and good. Without extracting, I want to see the content. What are the files or directories is available here? If you want to see tar-tvf, using this tvf, you can see the content of that particular tar file. Instead of extracting, you can see directly. Got it, right? If you give the -tvf, it means it won't be extract this vinod.tar. Whatever is available inside the vinod.tar, it will be displayed. If you observe here, we have a two. One is M1 and M2. What is that permissions? Everything is displaying here. I haven't extract this one. Just I'm seeing the content of the inside the tar file. What are the files and directories available without extract? Okay, I hope understand that. Any questions? Next one is tar-rvf. What is the usage of rvf? If you use the rvf, okay, for example, inside the vinod.tar, we have m1, m2, right? If you want to add extra one, using rvf, you can do it. Okay, and I'm giving vinod.tar. Here I'm giving muni. It means what will happen? This muni file, it will be added to vinod.tar. Okay, now I'm checking tar- without extracting tvf, then vinod.tar. Okay, if you observe here, Muni's file is added. Got it, right? Without, if you want to add extra directories or files, you can use -rvf. Okay, we have already tar file. You want to add extra things, then we'll be use -rvf. Okay, I hope understand that. Any question here? This is the very important in interview level. Also, some use cases will be majorly will be used. Will be downloaded the tar file from internet, and then we will be extract. We will be do everything, and also we will be create our own tar file, and will be move from one location to another location. Okay, tar file is nothing but it will contains RK files. All files are directories. Okay, I hope understand that. Any questions? Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.